What are your favorite performances?
Super Junior, hello.
Sorry.
Alam mo, yun
Ay,
pa,
nako,
nakakatawa yung sinabi nila na in this award show, nobody was born in the 90s. Sa amin
I
din, sa
know.
Super Junior, nobody was born in the 90s. Oh my God!
Diba?
Amin na ng edad. Nas na-hurt ako kasi kaedad natin sila eh.
I
So
know!
kung nandun tayo, tayo yun. Shit.
Oo, exactly. Tayo rin yung parang kapag sorry. Tapos kapag meka,
Oo nga.
gagana na kapag nasa choreo na yun.
Hinihingal
Nahihirapan
eh. Hingal na sila.
1, 2, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong, this is Monica.
What's up everyone? This is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia and we are 1 to Sarang. Hello.
Woohoo!
Hello,
Hello.
Sarang Base. And if you're new here, thank you. Get cozy. We are gonna be having a very fun, insightful conversation that will start with this question.
Yes.
Trency, Monica,
Yeah.
nabigyan na ba kayo ng award ng mga mama ninyo?
Ah, yes.
Very
Ay.
much.
Oo. Una sa lahat, gusto ko siyang pasalamatan. Sa lahat ng kanyang sakripisyo para sa akin. And I think yung pinaka-award na ibinigay niya sa akin ay ang paglabas niya sa akin sa mundong ito.
Oh.
The award of my birth.
Ikaw kasi yung award, okay?
Ako yung award. Ako yung ngayong award. Oo, sa kanilang
Ikaw.
dalawang mag-asawa. Oo.
Paano
Yes.
pala kung pangalan mo Desang?
Nakakatawa yung pangalan ko, Desang Kagaanan. Tapos yung kapatid ko, bilang pangalawa siya, Bonsang lang siya.
Bonsang lang siya. Sorry.
Sorry.
Paano kasi Monica, 5 sila? Mga mga
Loser.
fan of the year, visa of
Correct,
the year.
gano'n na nga.
And
Breakthrough performer.
Asawa ako, I said loser.
Loser. Si Monica po ay ate ng pamilya nila, no?
Oo.
So, dito nyo po
I'm very
makikita
caring.
kung paano
I am.
siya.
That being
Loser.
said, yung award, yes! Lagi akong na-award ng nanay ko. Lagi niya akong pinapagalitan.
Ayun. Yun.
Yes.
Oo, tama. Oo.
Pero siguro yung pinaka-favorite ko, award, although hindi lang siya, but I feel like promoter, isa siya sa medyo nag-push na, sige, gawin natin to. Nung high school kasi ako, umagsak ako ng math. So, kinailangan ako mag-summer. So, sobrang nalungkot ako noon kasi parang, alam mo yon dati, yung time na yon parang, if you're failing, yung pag magsa-summer class ka, parang that's such a huge deal, diba? Na parang, shit, hindi siya magaling, whatever.
Oo.
So, medyo naging mission na kailangan I had to step up in my studies and that in return, ang dream ko kasi talaga noon ay makapag-travel to Europe. So, sabi ko noon, for my 18th birthday, instead of a debut, gusto kong makapag-travel to Europe. So, I worked hard. I got the best grades possible. So, yun. In-award nila ako ng trip to Europe for my 18th birthday. Yun yung debut.
Yun ang award.
Love it.
Yes.
Yes.
A debut in Europe.
Yes, a
Wala.
debut in Europe. My God. And the comeback in the Philippines.
Yes.
Ako, very much same. Lagi din akong napapagalitan ng mom ko. But, you know, syempre, pag tumatanda na tayo, mas nagiging close na rin naman tayo sa kanila. Pero ang favorite ko na
Yes.
award na binigay niya sa akin, nung bata pa ako, ang tawag niya sa akin ay si Pia the Burarakid. Yung mga kapatid ko yun din tawag sa akin, si Burarakid.
The
yan
Buraraki.
eh. So that
Does it
is
come with a
the-
medal?
Oo.
Oh, parang inano ko talaga, took it to heart, ganyan. Thank you,
Oo.
Mother, for this very life-changing award. To be fair, something shifts when you move out of the house, I guess. Nawawala yung mga ganong mga bagay. I don't know. But anyway, kayo, mga Sarang Bay, ano bang mga award ang nabigay sa inyo ng mga mama ninyo? Pakilagay naman sa comments, Desang ba yan? Bonsang ba yan? Nako, pag-usapan natin
Or
yan.
loser
Why
ba
are
kayo?
Or loser ba kayo? Meron din ba kayong mga ate who claims that they are caring, but cause you a loser as well.
Yes.
I really
The
am.
duality. So bakit ba itong usapan namin? Obviously, we will be talking about the recently concluded Mama Awards 2025. So what are the questions that we will be talking about? First, did Mama 2025 deliver the level of production quality we expect from them? And because we know that this happened during a very trying time in Hong Kong, were they also able to achieve a balance of celebration with sensitivity? And of course, dun sa mga awards that were given for in the course of 2 days, meron ba kayong mga moments na gustong pag-usapan, mga favorite moments? And as a follow-up, merong parang usap-usapan ngayon sa Twitter, babanggitin ko na lang mamaya. Pag-uusapan natin yan. And we always love the Mama Awards because of all the performances. Which ones are your favorites? Yan, very exciting. And to wrap everything up with this year's awards and some snubs as well, is there a noticeable shift in who is being positioned as the quote-unquote leaders of the next generation in K-pop? And how do you think does Mama shape public perception of rookies versus veterans? And meron na bang changing of the guard moment na nangyayari ngayon? Are we witnessing that? And you know, Sarang Base, that we always end with a game. Pero to change things up for this episode, ang ginawa namin, gumawa kami ng blackout bingo. So, gumawa kami ng 16 4x4 na boxes. So, very much like bingo. At dahil magpapasko na, panahon na rin ng mga bingo sa mga Christmas party.
Christmas tradition.
Makikisali tayo. So, nagsulat kami dun sa 4x4 na mga boxes ng different words that we think people would be saying throughout the course of this conversation. So, ang point is dapat ma-black out itong buong bingo na ito. So, kung natapos ninyo yung bingo sa gitna ng ating usapan, sabihin nyo lang kaagad, bingo!
Bingo!
Mama mo bingo! Ganon. Mama mo bingo!
Wow! Okay.
Bingo mo, mama mo.
Oo, ganyan. Sabihin ninyo yan. Okay, so abangan ninyo sa Sarang Base kung meron nga bang makakapag-bingo sa amin, sinong mauuna.
Baka gusto ng mga Sarang Base makijoin. Gumawa rin sila ng sarili nilang parang 4x4. Test nyo rin mga sarili nyo.
I-post ninyo ito, isulat ninyo lahat yan. Or if you want, why not make it a game kung meron kayong gusto i-shot dyan. Every time sabihin nyo to, shot. Ganon.
Oo.
Why not?
Yes.
Mas masaya.
Oo, saya.
Correct.
Lagi
Let us
ginagawa.
know in the
Asa na yung
comments.
ala ko?
Ayan, naghanap tuloy siya. Agad-agad. Okay, and before we jump into all the chaos, the fun, and all the kilig, happy moments about this year's Mama Awards, we also want to take a moment to, of course, acknowledge what happened in Hong Kong. The show did push through despite what happened there just days after the tragic fire in Taipo, and the death toll continues to rise. And an investigation to find the cause is still underway. So there were last-minute adjustments that were made, such as canceling the red carpet event, presenters and artists wearing black ribbons, and the performances were adjusted to be mindful of the tragedy. So as we get into the highlights, the wins, controversies, performances, we are also keeping in mind the context surrounding it. It was an awards night held in the middle of grief, and we just wanted to honor that moment before we start. Our hearts and prayers to everybody affected in Hong Kong. Madaming Pinoy din. We are really just praying for the best, and sana justice is served. Alam natin galit din tayo sa mga contractor. Pare-pareho tayo dyan.
Oh my God. Oo.
Okay. Well, with that in mind, okay, start na rin natin ang ating blackout bingo. I-ready nyo na ang inyong mga pens and papers kung nasabi na ang inyong mga words. So, bago natin umpisahan ang ating mga questions very, very quickly, ano nga ba itong Mama Awards? So, this is formerly the Mnet Asian Music Awards. So, noong 2022, Mama Awards na lang siya kasi hindi na siya Mnet Asian Music Awards. So this is an annual music awards show organized by CJ Entertainment, first held in 1999. It started as a music video awards modeled after the MTV VMAs. So it was renamed in 2009, reflecting its expansion outside of South Korea. From 2012 to 2017, the ceremony was held in Hong Kong before returning again this year. This is widely regarded as the biggest music awards show show from K-pop, for K-pop, and BTS is known for its most Mama Desang wins, setting a record for 21 awards total from 2016 to 2023. And most awarded overall, not just the Desang but including the other awards, still BTS, 52 awards. Followed by 17, naisingit natin, 24 awards.
Yeah.
And third is Twice with 19 awards. All the groups we know and love so much. Okay, so umpisan na natin ang ating Mama Awards usapan. Did you guys think that this show did deliver the level of production quality we expect from them? And were they able to achieve a balance of celebration with sensitivity? Let's start with you, Mon.
Yeah, I think definitely they did. Very obvious yung in the sensitivity part, you know, the solemnity and like how everyone was so
Correct.
careful to make sure to acknowledge what happened and
Yes.
yeah, and may fundraiser thing going on din kasi, 'di ba? So it was
Correct.
a really nice touch to honoring the tragedy. And I think maliban pa sa fundraising, parang yung Mnet mismo. Is it Mnet or CJ? I don't remember. Parang nag-promise din sila that they'll donate a certain amount. I think
Yeah.
apart yon from whatever it is that they'll gather pa from the award show mismo. It was very, very felt. So I think very, very, kumbaga, nakaset yung tone sa sa pagka-carefulness nila, nakaset yung tone na they wouldn't go parang all out isn't the term, pero parang alam mo yon, parang medyo alam nila na every performance, every speech, every appearance, it was really for really inspiring hope. Like, I like that part
Yes,
a lot. Na
correct.
parang the acknowledging the power of music and how it can
Yes. Oo.
help one recover from, dark times and like
Yes.
how it can help like people move on and inspire ba despite whatever it is that happened. So hindi lang siya pang for the tragedy being mentioned, also for in general, 'di ba? Whatever personal tragedy that you're experiencing. So I really like that aspect a lot. Now in terms of like the show as a spectacle, I think Mama has always been that. Like, it's always been up there. Like, probably the best award show that, music award show that Korea has to offer. Like, I think the others are great too, but Mama has always set such a high standard, and I think the quality is still there. Like, I will forever be impressed by all those LED magic things happening in the
Correct.
ceiling.
Correct.
Yes.
I still remember the first time I experienced that. I saw that first time I watched the Mama show, which was fairly recent because, like, hindi na ako baby K-popper, pero alam mo yun, hindi ako from the beginning. So I never saw like how it was before to now. But I did see the first time nga they used that kind of technology. And I was just amazed kasi parang it really felt like, man, this is the future. Parang ganon. So
Correct.
it was so nice seeing it again and again and again. And like the visuals are even more bolder. Like hindi lang siya fancy, flashy lights things before. Like they would actually set up scenes. Like I remember for some
Yes.
performances, I think it was Boy Next Door or maybe Stray Kids. I don't remember. Pero parang may mga, or maybe it was Stray Kids. Yung biglang may flags, tas yung mga pangalan nila
Yes.
Stray Kids.
Stray
na
Kids.
nakahang.
Oo.
Stray Kids yun,
Correct.
diba?
Mm-mm.
Parang, it was so detailed. It was so intense na parang, man, this is the future. Like, it was a
Yes.
good, like, as I guess, us coming from theater and stage and having some interest in staging things, like kind of trying to keep updated with technology and stuff. Like, it's the stuff that excites me. Alam mo yun, na parang seeing how we can further push like
Correct.
the entertainment performance experience.
Ikaw naman, Chansey, what do you think? Was it able to deliver?
Ako super same with what Mon said. Parang, di ba, when we started talking about it, kasi we were gonna make an episode about it, and then of course, nga, the tragedy happened. So, we were talking about what's gonna happen, if we're gonna push through with this recording, kung, like, if they're gonna cancel it. And we were talking about, like, what would be the right course of action for them sa situation na to. And I'm actually glad that they pushed through with it. Kasi parang it became such a platform for people to reach out. Meron nga silang, as Mon said, may donations, may charity, may causes sila na sinuport. And yun nga, parang it became this space kung saan yung mga tao can breathe a little, alam mo yun.
Yeah.
And they did it so well. Alam mo yun, I was thinking if they went the other way and just completely canceled it, parang such a lost opportunity to say something big. Alam mo yun, to be a bigger figure in this, and in this entire thing. Parang kumbaga, if they didn't do anything, they didn't act on it, canceled it completely, wala mangyayari. But they chose this route. It's probably hard. Like, imagine, like, just a couple of days to, like, rescript everything, reconfigure, ano ba yung mga contingency plans nila, ganyan-ganyan. And I'm sure unprecedented to, di ba? Parang like, medyo malaking deal talaga to. So, alam mo yun, they really put in a lot of effort to make sure that this show is what Mon said din, is a solemn show that, really make people remember what is going on kahit na ganito yung nangyayari on stage. And at the same time, celebratory pa din siya, alam mo yun. And I guess in celebration of how music is to people and how it can heal. Diba?
Yeah.
So, I really, really appreciate what they did. Naisip ko nga parang, my gosh, how do they brief kaya each and every artist, di ba? I'm sure may mga briefing yan. Kanya-kanya silang plano kung ano sasabihin nila, ganun. Kasi lahat talaga sila maayos eh. As in talagang sobrang on point. They were like, you can see on stage that they were, they were really feeling the solemnity of the moment. Although, Wunak, medyo nasobrahan ka.
I know.
Parang, sir, wala po tayo sa lamay. Medyo intense.
Birthday niya.
Birthday pa niya. Oo. Anyway, I love him, but medyo intense, sir. Nakasimangot lang siya on stage. Tapos nun, parang kumbaga, parang for future reference, ito na yung feeling ko maging standard on how, like, shows like these situations, tragedies like this would happen. Ito na yung parang standard kung paano sila magpipivot, to make everything work, ganyan. And as for yun nga, production quality, nahirapan ako sabihin kasi parang sobrang exceptional kasi ng situation na to. Na parang ang hirap i-compare to like previous shows because we don't know what they really took out. Like, ano ba yung extent ng production? Kasi pag Mama, parang big stages talaga, alam mo yun.
Diba?
Parang,
Yung BTS, naglabas ng kabayo. Diba?
Naglabas ng kabayo, BTS. Dionysus na parang malalaking set talaga, diba? So,
correct,
parang, ang hirap, and like, even 2023, Boy Next Door nga, binalikan ko yung iba, just to get a refresh, na parang like, ang daming nangyari. Like, meron silang car, may set sila within the stage.
Yeah.
Tapos, as in talagang bongga. So, I'm sure yun yung plan. Especially going back to Hong Kong na, alam mo, ito ang pagbabalik ng Mama sa Hong Kong. So, like, and it's in a, fresh new stadium. So, of course, they probably planned something big. So, I don't, parang ang hirap i-compare kasi you don't know to what extent yung tinanggal nila. Just to make this show the show that the situation in Hong Kong calls for. But, I was still pleasantly entertained. Alam mo yun? Because the artists are great. And I think that's enough for me. And knowing full well din na they are doing this with the context of the typo tragedy. So, they really did well in that regard. Yun, nakakatuwa. So, ayun lang. Yun lang yung akin. I guess siguro kung meron lang akong masasabing kot-kot ng konti is compared to like other mamas, parang feeling ko camera work-wise, like they did it better before. Sobrang pangit ng camera work dito.
Sobrang pangit ng camera work. Sobrang pangit din ng miking at some points.
Sobrang pangit ng miking. Oo.
Like, As in, parang honestly, that is also like one of my frustrations. Parang,
Oo.
bakit naapektuhan din yung camera work natin? Of course,
Correct.
yun nga, yung sa Boy Next Door, yung nasira yung camera in the middle of like their performance.
Oo. All-day
they had to
project
take
din
down
daw
the
eh. May
video
nahulog na
Oh,
isang
may
camera.
nahulog na camera.
Yung camera
Oo.
na, kasi, pero it's like a mechanical camera, so that must
Yung
have been like a
gumagano.
technology glitch. Kasi parang it's rolling lang eh. But
Correct.
anyway,
Yeah.
those things that happened. Agreed
Oo.
na parang they really did use this as a platform, and it really, as a platform to spread positivity, inspiration
Yes.
in such trying times. And I love how, you know, of course, all of these artists as well, on top of everything else that we mentioned, of course, all of these artists also gave a lot of donations to the people who were affected. And sobrang love ko yung ginawa ni GD na it's not just for the victims but also for the frontliners. Gusto niya, meron din siyang support
Yeah.
na binigay sa firefighters and the other frontliners, psychological help, because my God, how tragic the things that you have
Correct.
to do. So parang ang ganda nung pagkaka-balance nila nung dalawang yon. Pero yun nga, parang I get it. I understand that it has to be scaled back. Pero ito yung isa talaga sa mga beef ko na I get it. The artists, kasi one of the things that we love about Mama is artists reacting to other artists, whether it's their stage or waiting for the award and all of that. Syempre, hindi mo kailangan ng makita yon. And malamang meron pang magiging controversial porket nakaupo lang, wala namang ginagawa yung artist, nanonood lang. And then if there's a camera na nakababad, baka maging controversial pa. So, okay lang na tinanggal yun sa stage. Pero bakit meron pa rin yung makukuha ng award? Nakakairita talaga na bakit may upuan pa rin sila sa harap? Why do we need to see? It's such a spoiler. And like, I don't understand how that happens. Like, lahat ng artists backstage, tas parang, Enhypen, desang time na ha. O kayo na yung umupo sa desang yun eh. That's a huge freaking deal. They're supposed to really savor that moment being called, their names being called. Like, it's okay.
True,
Kung hindi na
true.
natin makukuha yung shot na yun, may staff sila doon nakukuha nung shot. Kung nasa backstage na lang sila lalabas, why did we have to see them sitting sadly, ganon, magugulat pa? I just hated that aspect. Yun yung isa kong like, kind of pushback from
Wala
this
akong
year's
gulatan
Mama.
eh.
Oo, wala.
Pero nagulat sila. Pero yung alam mo na parang, alam na nila na sila yung mananalo,
Diba?
pero they have to fake a reaction.
Yeah.
Right? Because standby sila ng mga SM eh.
Correct. Oo.
Pinaupo kayo dyan.
When did they start doing that? Because like, that's
From day
also what I
one.
like about, in general, like in award shows. Kasi parang, hindi.
Oo.
The others naman, nandun sila. I mean, there's like a special stage nga for the artists. Tapos dun sila nakaupo and stuff. But like in general, yun kasi yung favorite ko about award show in general. Like seeing a room filled with all these artists that you admire. That's why I love the Oscars. Alam mo yun? You can
Yeah.
see
Correct.
rows and rows of these actors and film people, and then kahit na nakatutok yung camera kay actor 1 foreground,
May nasa
nasisilip
likod.
mo sa likod.
Oo.
So parang
Correct.
parang you get so kilig na parang, wow, they're all in one roof. So I
Correct.
don't know why hindi ito nabibigay in Mama. Kasi parang, isn't that even more hopeful in a way? Like
Yeah,
seeing,
because they're all
having a
together.
vision of them being together, diba? Like in one area and like,
Oo.
tapos, naalala ko rin, you know, how there would be like old videos before na parang mga fan cam na naghihiritan yung mga groups. Like when they're not, like from the back or something, makikita mo
Exactly.
this member
Their
would go to the
interactions.
other
Exactly.
interactions
I
and
love
stuff like that.
those. Yeah.
Nakakamiss yung mga ganon, diba? Kasi
Super.
parang, tapos nakatulong pa yun sa pag-abolish ng fan wars, kung ma-abolish man yun or whatever.
Oo.
But diba? Parang, kasi
Exactly.
parang, pang-sampal yun eh, na parang, guys, ba't kayo nag-aaway? Like,
Oo.
they're all
Oo,
friends.
Oo.
Exactly.
Oo, diba? Parang,
I understand like the decision. I feel like it's just really being careful, but like what they ended up with just did not work. Like just let them standby na lang sila backstage. Okay lang 'yun.
Actually,
Kesa
sana
sa
hindi na lang
nakaupo
sila
doon.
pinaupo.
'Di ba?
oo nga eh.
Yun kasi
Especially
Sana
sa
lumabas
point.
na lang sila.
Sino yung
Sana
nasa
lumabas
likod?
na lang sila. Oo.
'Di ba? Parang
Oo.
nandun yung ESPA. Sila na yung next. Ganon. O nakaupo na yung mga ano.
Correct,
But anyway, Well, yeah, that's just a little pushback. But talking about the awards, ayan, kita natin ang mga nanalo ng Desang this year. We have GD, we have Rose, we also, teka, nilista ko yung mga Desang, Enhypen and Stray Kids, how can I forget? Okay, and aside from that, syempre there are a lot of other awards na binigay. So ano ba yung mga moment na mga favorite ninyo from the awards? Start with you, Chansey.
Of course, unahin na natin yung Stray Kids. Ay, nako,
yes,
super duper
grabe.
duper deserve. As in, like,
Yes.
my heart is so happy for them. Like, they
Yes.
are on a roll. They are right now maybe the biggest K-pop act actually out there. They've worked so hard. Alam mo yon,
Yes.
parang like millions
True.
millions of tickets sold, like record-breaking concerts.
And don't forget, a golden plaque from JYP himself.
Yes, yun ang
Yes.
pinaka-importante.
Important award.
Oo, mas mataas
Totoong
pa yun sa
gold.
Mama Award.
Oo,
Come on.
diba?
Correct.
Oo,
Ito.
pumunta pa sila sa bahay ni JYP para tanggapin. What
Diba?
an honor. Oo. So, I really felt it for them. Like, I'm not familiar with, yung whole track record ng Stray Kids when it comes to, like, getting awards. Like, saka na ako nag-research after they won and, like, knowing nga na parang 17 lang. As in, it took them years to finally get
Yes.
a Desang. And
Oo.
here they have it. And wala nang makakasabi na parang hindi nila deserve na deserve
Correct.
nila. And
Deserve
sobrang
nila.
heartfelt
Correct,
din
correct.
nung ano nila, nung acceptance speech nila. Ay, nako, Diyos ko,
Yeah.
Lord. Grabe, nakakaiyak. Parang,
Like,
ay, nako.
Felix is usually so eloquent, but that was like the first
Oo.
time I saw
Correct.
him struggle to even speak.
Yung ganung
like,
mukha.
Correct.
Oo.
Pero ang beautiful pa rin niya.
I
Grabe.
know.
Like his-
Yung
Sana
parang
ganun
nabura
tayo
na nga yung
white
makeup niya,
hair
kakaiyak
and-
niya eh. Kasi grabe yung iyak niya sa
Correct.
stage. Talagang hagul-gulo si
Oo.
kuya. Talagang for support, nakaakbay na siya. Kasi hindi
Nakaakbay.
dahil gusto niyang mag-hug. Pero dahil di na siya
Oo.
makatayo. Oh my God, Lino, get
Oo.
well soon. Pero yeah, my God, that
Yo.
moment.
Ang ganda pa nun,
And
nung
Han,
talagang
I
inakay
think.
nila si Lino on stage. Yung parang,
Yeah.
ano yun. Ay, nako. Such a
Correct.
great group. Such a great
Yeah,
group.
no.
And like yun na nga,
Super deserve.
and further na emphasize yung fact na Desangs really go to groups that have producers. As in, make their own
Actually.
music. So, alam mo yun.
17. Well, EXO before
BTS.
BTS.
Oo. Parang after BTS, I think nung nag-shift siguro, parang, I don't
Oo.
know, parang yun yung
Yeah.
aking take on it. But,
I feel like
yeah,
as well.
Oo. So, sa mga ibang groups, heed our advice.
Ano?
Sa
Anong
ibang
advice?
K-pop
Maging
groups,
producer
heed our
sila?
advice. Kailangan magka-producer.
My
Important
God.
yun. Oo.
Correct.
Importanter.
Oo.
Ikaw,
So,
Mon?
yes.
Pero yung mga parang, di ba yung sinasabi ko nga sa text, parang yung Stray Kids performance, pang Desang. Parang it's
Oo.
like that eh. Alam mo,
Oo,
yung
alam
mga
mo na eh.
even GD, parang ibang,
Correct.
like so many notches above the rest.
Oo,
So you
oo.
know, so yung mga nagugulat pa na, why Stray Kids guys? Come on. Like,
Correct.
it's so
Parang
obvious
concert
that
nila.
they were gonna, it was so, diba? Like, I remember there was like this wide shot and all these laser lights happening and like, parang beautiful chaos siya na
Oo.
technically mukhang any of their music videos really because usually most of their music videos are beautiful chaoses, diba? But yeah, parang it's so pang Desang. Like, how is anyone else surprised na they won and like their other favorites didn't, diba? Parang
Yeah.
it's given.
Yes.
But yeah, pero favorite, I did like that too. Like Stray Kids, like they really deserve. I super duper agree. I think isa sa mga favorite ko rin was when Maggie Kang and Chris Applehands was there and were given
Yes.
the what's it called, the Music Visionary of the Year for for
K-pop
Mom,
Demon Hunters.
for K-pop Demon Hunters. And I thought it was so poetic because like Maggie Kang and all her stories and how she was inspired from the early generations of K-pop and even scenes in K-pop Demon Hunters na yung parang, oh, this is like based on a Mama Award or something. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Parang it was so perfect for them to be there and receive an award on Mama Like, the impact of K-pop Demon Hunters is so massive. Like, kahit na sobrang dami ng tao na minsan nakikita ko sa Twitter na pwede bang enough na yung Golden kasi diba they performed sina EJ, they performed Golden in Macy's Thanksgiving Parade and like and all that. Parang all these achievements, parang it's something that you would never imagine to ever happen. And yet, it happened because of that movie. Because of the vision of Maggie Kang and Chris Applehand. So parang, it was beautiful. It was a beautiful award.
Sila din yun eh. Isa pa yung sa mga spoiler yung nakaupo na sila sa gilid. Anyway.
Ay, yeah.
Correct.
Correct.
Sila na next
For
na
sure.
mananalo. Alam na natin. Deserve naman. Gabi talaga
Correct.
yung beef ko dun sa ano na yun. But yeah, super agree with those moments. Ako naman, ang i-add ko dyan is also, wala lang. I guess, kailangan ko na talagang aminin na isa na akong core. I was so happy when Cortez won. Like, I mean, super deserved naman talaga. Sobrang monster rookie naman talaga kasi nila. But I don't know, I was just thinking na, will they really give it to them? It's not even like, they just debuted very recently. Pero sobrang like, even just that moment na parang, okay, yes, I was just so happy that they were given due recognition in Korea because I thought they would be bigger outside. Pero okay, so maybe like the local market also appreciates them, like the bunch of misfits that they are. So sobrang love na love ko rin yung moment na yon. At syempre, kakalimutan ba natin yung moment ni GD nung binigyan siya ng award?
Correct.
Oh my
Yes.
God. Wasn't that the cutest?
I love that moment. Oo. Super. And
Chow Yun Fat, who is the
Yes.
best, Tony. I have to
Yes.
mention him.
Exactly. Hindi ko sinabi kasi nasa bingo ko yun eh. Salamat.
alam mo, hinihintay ko na sabihin ni Mon.
Ako din eh.
Naka-target na ako kay Mon eh.
Diba?
Sorry, nakalista din yun sa akin eh. Kasi gusto ko talaga siya sabihin.
Oo.
Kasi I love Chow Yun Fat. I really
Since hindi natin sinabi, Mon, di ba hindi natin sinabi Pia, si Mon nagsabi. So, ibig sabihin niya pwede i-X yung sa kanya.
Hindi, kasi siya nagsabi.
Kasi siya
Pero,
nagsabi.
Aww.
ibigay na natin sa kanya. Yes,
Wait,
that
hindi ko
moment
na-
of G-Dragon
Hindi
and
ko
Chow Yun
narinig
Fat.
yung ano.
The
Okay.
two of them, like yung talagang
Oo.
sumasayaw sila. Ang cute nila. Tapos si
Oo
GD
nga.
kasi ang liit. Mukha siyang little boy na talagang, okay, yes, lolo. Sayaw tayo, lolo.
Correct.
Ganon. Ang cute.
Correct.
Sobrang, that was like a really huge highlight for me. My
Sobra,
God.
As in.
Aside from the awards, syempre, alam nyo naman, inaabang natin ang mga performances. Umpisahan na natin ito. Mon, what are your favorite performances?
Super Junior, hello.
Sorry.
Alam mo, yun
Ay,
pa,
nako,
nakakatawa yung sinabi nila na in this award show, nobody was born in the 90s. Sa amin din, sa
know.
Super Junior, nobody was born in the 90s. Oh my God!
Diba?
Wait, kailan nila sinabi
I
yun?
love that.
Kailan nila
When they
sinabi?
received their award as the Super
when they received
Inspiring
the award.
Channeling Award.
Yeah.
Amin na ng edad. Nas na-hurt ako kasi kaedad natin sila eh.
I
So
know.
kung nandun tayo, tayo yun. Shit.
Oo, exactly. Tayo rin yung parang kapag sorry. Tapos kapag meka,
Oo nga.
gagana na kapag nasa choreo na yun.
Hinihingal
Nahirapan
eh. Hingal na sila.
What did you love about Suju's performance mo?
Because we also know that it's their 20th anniversary. So I thought it was so fitting for them to have 4 songs. Parang, they performed 4 songs. And you know that it's part of their anniversary thing. And like in general, just seeing them perform is like seeing your current
Us
favorites
perform.
perform in the future.
Correct. Oo.
I don't
Yes,
know.
time
It's
travel
like
tayo.
parang it's like the longevity of K-pop, I guess,
Yes.
of
Correct.
singers, of artists in general. So seeing them doing all that and like tas taon-tawa pa nga ako kasi parang every time I would see their faces sa mga close-ups, parang hindi naman natin kasi na-follow yung Suju from when they were very active, right? So, yung reference ko sa kanila ay yung mga shows that they are now hosts of. Kasi yun yung mga careers nila.
exactly.
Alam mo
Correct.
yun?
Yeah.
Correct.
But like, it's also such a beautiful thing kasi yun nga, again, like the longevity of like one's career na they can be different people now, but these were who they were before, and this was the performance of was a reminder of who they were before, like the powerhouse that they were before. So I really, really appreciate it. Plus, they chose like what the best song, the Sorry Sorry. And like, yun nga, yung mention natin with like those giant hands na
Yeah.
gumaganon. Like,
Correct.
tonto ako as in I had to clap. Parang, oh, that's so cute.
Ang dami nagsasorry. Ang laki nung pagsasorry
Oo.
nila sa atin.
I know.
Oo nga eh.
Oo, nakaka-overwhelm.
Nakaka-overwhelm
Diba?
ng hands.
Ganon.
Oo. Sobra.
Meron ka pa
Love
bang
them.
favorite performance you wanna add, Mon?
Oh, I did love especially the beginning part of Boy Next Door because it started with Bogum saying na para, oh, for the first time, we're doing a movie awards. And I'm like, huh?
I know.
So, medyo na-confused ako, no? Na parang, what movie awards? Like, but then, at the same time, being Korea, and you know how they like doing random shit.
Oo.
Correct.
Na parang
Exactly.
acceptable to them paired to us confusing. So parang inaccept
Yes.
ko na lang siya. Okay, sige. Dagdag sila ng category just cause. As in, ang tagal pa ng register until I saw
know.
them come out nga. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, as in talagang, okay, I see. I was dumb for a while.
Oo.
So, natuwa ako doon when that happened. Wala lang.
It's so good.
Fun
Because
experience.
Chancy and I watched the first day together. So, I don't know why at that point, I think nakatayo tayong dalawa. And then
Oo.
parang nung lumabas yung Mama Movie Awards, tapos parang nagjo-joke ka pa, Trency, na, Boy Next Door na, may movie eh. Gumanon ka
Oo.
pa, tapos parang
Oo.
tumatawa pa tayo, oo nga, bakit may movie? Sobrang nakakalito. And then biglang nung si Bogum, inintroduce na niya yung best scene stealer. Parang,
Ayun na,
"Hala,
doon
oo
na-click.
Oo, sila nga talaga.
Oo.
Oh my God. That was sobrang nakakatawa yung moment, and it's so quintessentially
Boy Next
Boy
Door.
Next
Yes.
Door.
Super.
It captures their wit, their humor, and how they do things in a grand scale. I
Yes.
super duper love everything, every little thing with that performance. And it makes me scared because it's gonna be so hard to top this next year. Kasi sobrang taas. As in, sobrang taas talaga. Grabe.
Agree. Love ko sila. Shut down. And sobrang honestly, and not just sa performance, but as a group, parang they're such a standout now for me.
Yeah.
Like, the rest,
Yeah.
kasi parang angasan lahat eh, honestly.
Oo.
Like, kahit na girl group, boy group, angasan lahat, alam mo yun, parang lahat kailangan cool, alam mo yun, laser shows, ganun yung vibe. Pero sila
Yeah.
kasi hindi, they went the opposite direction. Nag-theatrics sila, alam mo yun. Medyo
Yeah.
corny nga to a certain degree kasi it kind of harkens back to like, you know, kumbaga staging of older days. Alam mo yun? Parang may ganun siyang
Yeah,
vibe
yeah.
for me.
Oo.
Versus, for
Yeah.
example, I also really loved how Zero Base One did theirs. Parang, I mean, it's sort of in the similar train of thought, but they did theirs in a more cinematic way. And I like how they did it. Kasi parang,
Yeah.
yun yung medyo hindi pa nakikita. Like how they used, parang nag-filter sila ng camera. Di ba? Parang biglang nag-slow-mo on stage. Sobrang
correct.
love ko yun. And pero yung Boy Next Door kasi, parang medyo mas old school yung ginawa nilang atake. But I love it so much as a theater
Yes.
person. Parang like, I love it. And then,
Yes.
creative and such a standout. Alam mo yun, parang like, parati ating sinasabi na parang, like, they are so packaged well. Kasi lahat tuhog. And sobrang tuhog na tuhog to. I guess yung
Yes.
favorite moment ko, and I guess for a lot of the groups din, sobrang talagang utilized kasi yung LED dun sa stage eh. Diba?
Oo.
So parang they really did like a lot of things there. Like for example, yung backlit si Rian, ganda nun. Tapos yung may ginawa silang parang floor dancing dun na sobrang cool
Yes,
din.
best!
Backlit
Yeah.
lang din. So, yun, nakakatuwa. So, parang medyo, yes,
Yes.
I love it. Pero I guess in general, parang sa performances, I feel like they really pulled back sa energy.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, parang makikita mo naman, kasi parang pinapanood ko yung Boy Next Door, I know you can do better than this. Alam mo yun, like, I know your energy can be higher than this. Like, hello, nag-Fact Music Awards kayo, parang you tore that stage down. So, talaga obvious na meron silang pullback. na hindi ginawa ng Cortez. Kaya for me, honestly, sa buong show, sila yung standout. Kasi parang,
Oh my God.
they owned that stage.
Yung Cortez?
Oo,
Yes.
as in talagang they owned
Yes.
that stage. Wala
Yes.
sila masyado, bare stage sila, pero their
Exactly.
energy
No backup
Yeah.
dancers.
so high.
Nothing.
Correct.
Just
Grabe.
five
They
of them.
filled everything.
Just 5 of them.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Grabe.
So parang,
As in.
stand out. As in,
As
sobra.
Yes.
Kaya nga inisip ko, parang anong brief nila? Bakit sila pwedeng mag-adlib na mga, mama, kasi yung iba kasi hindi nila ginawa, or kung ginawa nila, very
Sinong
tempered.
Sinong,
Yung
sinong,
Yung Cortez kasi parang ano sila yung parang, parang they call out to the crowds, parang may mga ganun silang pa-adlib. Alam mo yun? But the rest kasi like, I know Boy Next Door kasi mahilig din mag-adlib yung mga yun eh. Di ba pag they run down the stage, parang they call to the crowd and stuff. Pero wala
Yeah.
silang ginawang ganun. Pero Cortez kasi meron. So I'm wondering lang parang, bakit ginawa nila to? Or risk ba nila to? Kumbaga. So parang sinabihan ba yung mga groups na parang, kayo na bahalang mag-temper sa mga sarili nyo. Tapos sila parang, okay, i-risk na lang natin na i-push natin yung energy natin. Pero for me,
although,
it
I
still worked.
feel like it was day 1 versus day 2. Baka day 1 was really testing the waters of how much you can do.
Gets.
And then day 2
I
was more of
agree.
like,
Oo nga.
since day 1 yung Boy Next Door and day
Possible.
2 yung Cortez. So they were
Correct.
allowed to do more, I guess.
Actually, mas
Possible
mataas nga
nga.
yung energy honestly ng day 2. So, probably that's the reason nga.
Yeah.
They were still testing the water. Pero yes, Cortez was
Possibly.
just, the energy was there.
Grabe.
So high. Taas.
Yes!
Grabe.
That stage really blew me away. Like, from the start with Martin on his laptop and to going, I was expecting, sabi ko, aba, may pa-set up. Oh my God, anong gagawin nila? Because we were
Oo.
talking about Tuwasus Overdrive, which was like, from out of left field, like, what was happening? Why are they doing a maangas version of Overdrive, which is about whining and being cute? What's happening? So sabi ko,
Mad
baka
Water
naman yung
version.
I know, Mad Water. Baka yung Cortez, baka pag-ikot ng camera, biglang, I don't know, parang medyo kinakabahan ako. But it was just the 5 of them. And ito talaga yung na-feel ko because a lot of K-pop fans like loosely use the term, they turned it into their own concert. Pero Cortez really did.
Really.
Like,
As
especially
in.
nung nag-fashion na sila, as in
Oo.
talagang nagwawala na lang po ang
Wawala
mga
sila.
lolo ninyo.
Oo,
Talagang go
grabe.
lang. Because again, I was really staring. There really are no backup dancers. It's just them. And they just really are there to show what they've got. And what they've got is raw talent of these 5 teenage boys. Kailangang
Yes.
maalala ng mga bata po sila.
Correct.
Ayun
oo.
lang. I
Bawal
love,
sila lumagpas ng
love.
10 p.m.
Oo. Kaya maaga-aga
Pero
yung performance nila.
Yung mga kanta din kasi nila talaga, parang bagay talaga for that kind of setup eh. It's really
Yeah.
party.
They did say
Alam mo yun, it's
that
really
during their process of
stadium.
producing, yes, yun talaga yung parang that's the thing in mind in their talaga,
Yeah.
production process.
But you know what? I just wanna say then for Boy Next Door. So parang day 1, and then so we're seeing like all these young people, because most of the performances are the current generation, the new generation of K-pop, right? So it's really it's really a showcase of who's next, diba?
Yeah.
And like, so, isa-isa sila, nagsisilabasan and stuff. Some were great, some were not so great. I mean, and again, probably in terms of preference too, kasi syempre, meron din naman akong sariling type of music. But in general, you kind of have a gauge na parang, okay, ito ang music, ito ang current K-pop. But when Boy Next Door came out, like, na-feel mo talaga na ibang ihip ng ahangin. Like, ito yung ulit-ulit nating sinasabi na iba talaga yung music na lumalabas from them.
Correct.
Alam mo yun? As in,
Oo.
so I loved seeing like the difference talaga from what
Yeah.
they come up with and the rest. And I guess it's the same also with Cortez, because like, kaya rin sila stand out kasi yun nga, that music, their kind of music is really for that kind of energy. And I think that really helped fill the stage.
Yeah.
Like, ang laking tulong niya.
And with the live band pa, no? Sobrang bagay yung live band with fashion.
Yeah.
Yes. For them na talagang magwala.
Correct.
Diba? Grabe. And I think another standout performance that I want to mention as well was JO1. Like, it's my first time kasi I just see them
Yeah.
usually on Twitter because they usually cover 17. And a lot of people are always talking about, they're a J-pop band who loves 17, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Pero parang never bothered. But then their stage was just like perfection. Like, every person, ang dami nila, ilan ba sila sa grupo, pero lahat sila talagang they deserve that stage. As in, talagang
Yes.
napaano ko na. And dun ko naalala na bakit nga ba walang 80s this year sa Mama.
Oh.
18s, please
Yeah.
enlighten me. I'm just so sad about this because they always come out with the biggest stages. Let me know what you think kung bakit wala sila this year. But I feel like JO1 kind of like filled that gap for me. So I'm so thankful to have discovered their own music through this performance.
Ano sa mga girl groups ba? Parang may nag-stand out ba para sa
Hindi nga
inyo?
tayo nag-mention ng girl group.
Oo,
For ako
parang
yung Isna, it's my first
Isna.
time. Actually, apparently, it's my second time to see them because they were also in the Mama last year, which I don't know why I don't remember them. But for all the girl groups that were performing this year, sila yung nag-stand out sa akin. How about you girls?
I like Meow.
parang Meow din. Oo. Meow din yung... But their stage was the one that was going up, di ba? Tama ba? Sila yung may ganun.
I think.
Oo,
So,
correct.
as I remember them to be so pretty. So, parang I was also so amazed by them. Like, and in general din kasi, I think may something din, I guess, kaya I like their performances because I really like their songs too. Like, may register na sila sa utak ko. I mean, all the
Correct.
other girl groups din naman. Pero parang
Oo.
alam ko kasi ito, parang gusto ko talaga yung music nila eh. Kaya nag-enjoy ako sa performance nila.
True. Correct.
We have to talk about the finale stage as well of GD. What do you guys think about GD? Because he did something quite controversial today. Mama posted a reel of his performance and he commented with a thumbs down. And people are speculating
Yeah.
it's because yun nga, he probably couldn't hear his in-ear, which is parang he looked uncomfortable performing the whole time. Parang there was something siyang hinahanap. Parang ganun.
Oo.
What do you guys think about the GD performing?
In all fairness, parang yung pinapanood ko siya, parang hindi ko naman I mean, medyo weird yung tunog, pero I was attributing it to like the fact night streaming. So, hindi ko, tinanggap ko na lang na ganun siya. Pero yes, it did sound weird. But aside from that, parang man, the power of G-Dragon, honestly,
Grabe.
parang like mag-isa lang siya with the command on stage and all that fabric. Alam mo, parang,
Yeah.
grabe talaga siya, as in, and parang, iba talaga siguro kung galing kang second gen, no? Kasi iba yung delivery, or dahil ba matagal na siya, iba yung delivery and pagnamnam ng song. Pero now that you said nga na parang nahirapan siya with it, I'm confused na kung like yung pagnamnam ba niya is because of the song or dahil hindi niya marinig yung sarili niya. Parang ganun.
In pain pala siya. Literal pain pala siya.
In pain pala siya. Di ba? Kasi parang yun yung
Although
comment.
those are the
Correct.
speculations of people kung
Oo.
bakit siya na ganun. Anyway.
Okay. So, hindi mo naman siya Kasi for example, like, I
Hindi
mean...
ko pa siya na-text about it.
Oo nga. Alam natin mamaya. Idaan natin kayo Zoom. Kasi mas madaling
Mas
ma-reach
accessible.
yun. Oo, mas accessible. Pero for example, like, makikita mo yung difference ng bago sa isang veteran. Like, just seeing him and like the
Yeah,
younger
for
people
sure.
do their own thing. Like, for example, like, appreciate ko naman na may golden rendition. Tapos, pero parang like, sobrang kita mo yung iba yung pagnamnam ng isang veteran sa pagnamnam ng isang, parang masyadong, syempre ingat pa sila. So, para talaga,
Yeah.
I mean, sorry, pero parang medyo robotic itong mga girls na to. So,
Yes.
yun lang din
Big
ako mention
monster.
na
Are we gonna talk
Yeah.
about that?
I mean,
Pwede ko bang-
ikaw, I know you have strong feelings.
No, because for Ion, I mean, I remember when we had that episode, when we were running down
Oo.
the up-and-coming girl groups of,
Oo.
was it this year or was it last? I think it was last year.
Oo.
So,
Years ago,
Baby
yeah.
Monster just debuted. So, iniisa-isa natin yung mga debut albums nila. And I remember even saying in the episode na standout si Ion. Like, ang powerful ng ng instrument niya. Like, it's so beautiful. And I was so shocked to hear what I heard on that stage because it was really masakit. I mean, ayan na naman, Twitter being Twitter, you're gonna say, but it's not like, you know anything. You're not a vocalist, you're not a trainer, whatever. I don't care about that. It hurt my ear. And I think it was the first time that I am complaining about a singer that hurt my ear. Like, I don't think I've ever complained that way, diba? So, it was a distinct, ang sakit. And at the same time, nababother ako kasi, hindi yun yung ayon na naalala ko eh. Tapos alam ko, nag-search ako ng onte, like nung pre-debut niya, yung mga auditions and stuff like that. Beautiful, beautiful voice. I don't know why it sounds like that. And I think, apparently, issue na rin siya in the recent times kasi parang lagi nang hinihirit na pasigaw siya kumanta, birit lang ng birit, pero gets, a lot of people are making hirit na about her voice. And syempre may mga nagde-defend din, etc., etc. So I guess seeing it in the flesh, or seeing it unfold during Mama, I'm bothered, and I'm really hoping that whatever it is that she's doing, I hope she knows what she's doing. Or like her trainers, because it really feels like it's hurting her. Like, it's the kind of thing that could hurt your instrument, and I worry. So I really hope na it doesn't lead towards that direction. Ayun lang naman. I thank you.
Well,
Super
speaking of mga disappointments as well, just very quickly, because I've been like a low-key Alice as well, sobra akong excited for the pre-debut stage of Aldi 1. And parang, ganun lang pa yung reaction ko. So this is the song. Okay. Parang ganon. But I'm just looking forward to the album drop. By the time this episode is out, their album will be out as well. So maybe my thoughts would have changed by then. Pero kudos, boys. You did Mama even before you debuted.
Correct.
My God, congrats. And ang dami ng mga Sangwon
Right.
bias sa mundo dahil sobrang babad kay Sangwon. Pogi eh.
Pero
yun.
diba, naka-worry yun na mas hanep pa yung intro nila kaysa sa actual performance.
To be
I'm
fair,
sorry.
like,
Kailangan
theory,
ibenta.
But that really...
Because the
Ayun
theory
nga
of the
eh.
people they were supposed to sing the signal song. Kasi wala pa naman silang kanta eh. Yung signal song nila for Boys Planet, which is the Hola Solar song. And that has a lot of references to fire, burning it up, and things like that. So they had to scrap it completely and learn a new choreo the same day.
Wow.
So that's why like that's the speculation of a lot of people, because 9 minutes, 3-minute song, 6 minutes intro, that doesn't make sense. So that could have been the plan. And yun, kaya ganun yung naging nangyari. Possibility. Because they've been
And
performing Hola Solar as well.
You know what I was also thinking while they were performing? I was thinking they must be shitting their pants. Because imagine, it's the first time that they're gonna introduce themselves to the world.
Correct.
And it's
Yes.
fucking Mama.
Correct.
Yeah, exactly.
During
when I
a
was watching,
tragedy.
During a
know.
tragedy.
Diba? Medyo
I was
pressure.
watching their faces talaga.
Yeah.
Gusto ko talaga makita yung mga mukha nila to see how they were handling the kaba. I don't know, the feeling of throwing up, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
That must have been so intense.
It was
And
kind
wow,
of obvious.
guys, congrats. They went
Yeah.
through it.
They did it.
Diba?
It was kind of
Yeah.
obvious in some parts, especially with si Anshin, hindi tumitingin sa camera. They don't have that enough training yet to find the camera and know where to look. But yun nga, things that come with age. And I think a lot of people also were so excited kasi lumabas yung Enhypen to watch them. And I think Cortez as well, because alam niyo na the big hit trainee connection.
Correct.
So there. So that was like a cute moment.
Support.
Then-
Yeah.
So lumabas sila.
Cute.
Like they went
Sa
to the
baba
side.
lang.
Sa gilid.
Baba lang.
Oo, may mga
Watch.
nakakuha ng fan cam nila watching. But speaking of big hit as well, Hybe, isa sa mga things na pinag-uusapan din sa Twitter is how Enhypen and Cortez mentioned Bang PD during their award, when they were receiving their awards. And a lot of people felt na parang, why? Hindi naman sa why, pero more of like, ano to, PR campaign, ganon.
Oo.
Did it like, meron ba kayong mga na-feel din na ganon? Anong mga thoughts ninyo dun sa pagbanggit nila kay Bang Siyuk? Because right now, we do know that he's under trial.
I feel like, I mean, nung sinabi nila, parang hindi nag-register sa akin na parang it's a PR thing. But if it is, parang, I mean, parang that's the best
Is it really
place.
their fault?
Oh, but it's the best place for them to at least, acknowledge him differently. Kasi although I remember Enhypen kasi saying na thank you for treating us more than
Yes.
a product, which is such a
Yes.
massive thing to
Exactly.
say. Alam mo yun?
That's literally for Min Hee Jin. Ganon.
Oo, parang ganon. Parang
Oo.
ganon. Kung
In
sino
your
mga iba
face,
pang...
biatch. Ganon.
Diba? Parang tinatrato mo kaming tao, hindi produkto. Parang ganon. Na
Oo.
sobrang bigat, weighty, sobrang weighty nung statement
Correct.
na yun. And
Yes.
then, them saying it pa, and my gosh, Engines, sobrang lakas din ng fandom na yun, okay?
Yes.
So parang like, for them to communicate that to their fandom and to the world, parang medyo malaking impact yun. And we know naman na any press is good press. So,
Exactly.
alam mo yun, good for him, di ba, na na-mention to.
Yeah.
Diba?
Correct.
And again, whatever it is, like the case is ongoing, right? Like honestly, we don't know shit. Gets. We
Yeah.
don't know what's
Thanks.
real. We don't know what's made up. So we don't know if them mentioning his name is like what they really wanted to say. We don't know if it's a PR thing. Pero ako hindi talaga ako na-bother kasi parang naalala ko I watched this show, yung kay Seth Rogen, The Studio. So it's about the film industry, right? So si Seth Rogen, producer siya. Tas his movie got nominated. Tas ang gusto niya lang talaga is sa award show, ma-mention yung name niya. Ma-thank you din siya. Pero hindi siya thank you nung artist who won the award. So, sobrang hurt siya na parang, ano ba yan? I'm the producer. I made sure to, parang ako yung nag-push ng pelikulang to, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And then in the bathroom, he met up with like a veteran producer na tas parang shinare niya yung feelings niya na parang hindi man lang ako thank you, this is such a thankless job, gumagano siya. Tas sabi nung veteran producer, but I make sure that it's part of the contract that if they win anything, my name should be
I love
mentioned.
it. Oo.
So parang in my head, maybe it was one of those. I mean, it is a company. Alam mo
Correct.
yan?
Totoo.
Like,
Although,
if it's something
yeah.
that they gotta do, okay.
Correct.
Something that they gotta do, di ba?
Although, ang iniisip ko, like, two things. Well, first, Boy Next Door is also Hybe. They did not mention Bang PD. There was a running joke, diba, dati yung Hybe, Coz, Jico. Diba, may ganun sila. They didn't do any of that. They could have easily been also part of that PR campaign. But they didn't do it. Pero naisip ko, baka naman kasi masyadong obvious kung kasama Boy Next Door. Because obviously,
nga.
Cortis, big hit Bang PD. And
Correct.
Enhypen, even if they're B-Lift, they were also formed by Bang PD himself.
Tapos desang
Pero parang-
pa.
Yeah.
Correct.
Desang
And
award
that
pa
is
yun
a
sa
desang.
kanya. Mm-mm.
But like, I wouldn't be shocked because I do have like a lot of respect for Jungwon as the leader of Enhypen, and he feels sincere as a person from what I know about him personally. Parang, I don't think siya yung tipong magpapadala lang just because of whatever. And I feel like there was like sincerity in what he said. And well, haters will be haters. You can say whatever you want to say. Sila pa rin yung nanalo ng award. The mic was with them. And that was their moment to say their thanks. And they had to thank him. So, why the hell not? Okay.
Correct.
So, speaking of all of this, to wrap up this conversation, for the past how many years, it's always been like kind of the Mama Awards. We already know who's gonna win. Things have been predictable. Maybe in a good way as well because it's so obvious. BTS dominated for how many years? When it was 17's turn, it was also kind of obvious kahit na meron pa rin akong hurt na album of the year at na hindi artist of the year at sa New Jeans talaga yung artist of the year. But anyway, alam na natin na parang
Correct.
medyo may shift na ngayon. Kung dati puro BTS lang yung desang, ngayon parang mas diverse people na rin yung nananalo. Anong nakikita nyo with the way Mama gave the awards to these different people, more diverse kind of group? Hindi, meron tayong second gen, meron tayong third gen, fourth gen. Fourth gen pa rin ng NHA, hindi sila fifth gen. So, do you think like we are entering like a new era of K-pop? What are your thoughts about it?
Yung BTS kasi era talaga yun eh. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Parang they were unshakable. As in, parang...
Correct.
I guess siguro with that in mind, now talaga it's different. Parang ang sabi din naman ng mama, they're a popularity and artistry awards show. With K-pop being so, mainstream to a certain degree now, ang dami-dami ng groups, alam mo yun, parang, and ang dami-dami ng fans of different groups. So, essentially, they really don't have a choice but to also acknowledge all these groups. Kasi sobrang popular na talaga lahat eh. So, hindi lang siya just one big group dominating. And, I guess with that in mind, yun nga, parang like it's really ushering in a new age, not just, for Mama, but for K-pop in general. Ang dami ng groups, period. Feeling ko yun lang din.
Correct.
Ang dami ng
Yeah.
groups
Yeah.
na sikat, period.
Yes.
So, wala silang
Agree.
choice but to, acknowledge. Ang dami na nga lang bagong
Acknowledge.
awards eh. Confused na
Yeah.
nga ako eh. Parang like, meron silang Rookie of the Year, pero meron din silang Breakthrough Artist. Like, what's the
Exactly.
diff? I don't understand.
Diba?
So, ayun. Yun lang yung akin. Parang it's really, yun na yung trend ngayon. And I think hindi lang nag-start this year. Parang feeling ko even last year nag-start na siya.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami na rin
Yeah.
namang nananalong iba-ibang groups. So,
Correct.
exciting. Ano lang bang ibig sabihin, I guess, ng Mama end of the day? They always say kasi they're the Grammys of Asia, right? But, ano ba ang weight ng isang Mama Award nowadays? Yun lang yung gusto ko din sigurong
Yun lang din
malaman.
yung hindi ko masyadong maintindihan kasi. Kasi parang, yes, I agree that it's nice to see different faces, different groups being awarded and such. Like, sometimes though, hindi ko lang kasi matugma kung matugma yung actual award to what they deserve. Does that make sense? Like, parang, like what you mentioned kanina, like, New Jeans and 17, like, parang baliktad dapat sana or something like that. Or even for this one, like, I saw on Twitter na parang Aespa was given best choreography probably because parang nasa desang list din kasi sila or something. So kumbaga parang nabibigyan ng mga awards yung mga hindi na nanalo or something like that. Parang
Yeah.
yung nagigets ko
Correct.
from the conversation.
Yeah.
Na I mean, I get how it could be a good thing because it's basically like sharing to all. Alam mo yun? Parang it's
Yeah.
parang it can be a statement na everyone deserves an award. But I guess, I don't know, parang kunyari as an artist, like, how do I, saan ako lulugar? Alam mo yon, like, kung kunwari, I win like a best choreo, pero I'm pretty sure, what if alam ko na dapat sila yung nanalo or something? So, gets parang, so parang, saan, paano na yung weight ng actual award? Like, what did I really win? Is it
Yeah.
just what do you call that? What's the word? Is it just a token of appreciation kind of award? Or did I really win because I won best choreo? Mga ganun ba?
Correct.
Like, ang dami kong questions really with how this award show works.
Yes.
And I don't know how they can continue with it because honestly, I mean, if they're gonna if they want this to be like a music award na pang music award, sana mas totohanin siya sa actual win. Alam mo yon?
Yes.
Because like even as artists, it would be so nice to strive for a specific diba? Like a
Correct.
specific win.
Yeah.
Like yun lang, parang
Yeah.
thoughts.
Super super agreed. As in, I feel like parang the gravity of the award could be diminished because a lot of people would also say that Mama is really an attendance award. Kung pupunta ka doon, warm body, mananalo ka. Pero kung hindi ka pupunta, oh sorry, hindi ka mananalo. They wouldn't
Correct.
really give you unless you're Rosé. Like, there's no contesting that was apparently until 2025 Song of the Year. Pero, diba,
Correct.
parang yung the rest, parang, yeah, they really have to give something, especially for those who have already won desangs. Like, kunwari, nagdesang na sila. So, ngayon, parang best favorite performer or whatever. Parang binigyan na lang sila ng something because
Correct.
they were there. Parang, it does diminish it. Sana lang merong, I guess, prestige in the same way na if we think about, kunwari, Western, 'di ba? Igot, parang ganon. Parang alam mong ano yun kasi talagang pinili ng mga tao yung sa Emmys, sa Grammys, Oscars and Tonys. Meron talagang like Academy who chooses all of that. I don't know if it's time for them to think of something like that for the Mama Awards or any Korean awards, but maybe just something more substantial because like album of the year is clear, the number of albums sold in a year. Parang ganon. So parang at least yon alam na alam natin, there's like numbers to prove it. Like but for the rest, paano nga ba yon? Although tama kasi Enhypen naman through voting fan of the year. Ano? Visa fan favorite of the year, something
Visa
like
fan.
that.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, maybe something lang just to improve on. But like regardless, I feel like a lot of idols pa rin, they grew up really looking at Mama as that biggest stage that they could be part of once they've debuted. So, I feel like hopefully they could still continue. If anything, it's the stages that we still love. And syempre,
Yeah.
very malakas na nakakakilig yung mga desang whenever they do get it. Like the
Yeah.
awards, quote-unquote, the awards that matter. Alam mo yun, hindi yung mga inspiring. Yung mga ganun. Ano ba yan? Bakit may ganitong klase tayong mga award? Hindi masyadong okay.
Iniisip ko na lang siguro pag ako as a viewer. Kasi nga parang medyo stuck on like, Grammys or like Oscars. Yung ganung klaseng awarding process with like criteria and you're graded by a group of parang like experts. Parang ganun. Yung
Yeah,
ganung award.
exactly.
Pero ito nga, as they said, it is really just a show with awards. Tapos popularity show pa siya. So parang, I mean, ganun na lang siguro yung shift na iniisip ko na parang, okay. Para lang, alam mo, masaya sila at masaya yung fans. Kasi syempre, nagbayad ka
Correct.
para manood
Yeah.
di ba?
Exactly,
To see your
yeah.
alts on stage, makareceive ng
Yeah.
award. Bumoto ka pa. Yung
Oh
iba
God.
kailangan pang bumili ng points or something. Di ba? Parang may ganun. Tama ba? You have to
correct.
buy something pa to
Hindi
be
naman
able
kailangan
to vote.
bumili. Parang
Okay, so wala
nag-refresh
naman.
lang siya per day.
Di ba?
Ganon.
Nag-effort ka everyday. Bumoto
Yeah.
ko sa Boy Next Door ngayon.
Ako hati, BNB.
Kailangan lang suporta. Oo.
Although I'm
Kailangan
just so
support.
glad that Mama became 2 days na. Because remember, pandemic, sorry, pero 6 na oras nakaupo tayo. Parang hindi pa ba
Nakakaloka
tapos?
yung
Ano
6 na
nangyari? Pwede na ba
oras.
ako maligo?
Oo.
Pwede
Nakakaloka
na ba
yung 6 na
magluto ng
oras.
dinner? So thank God.
Oo.
Naging
True.
2 days siya.
Pero,
Agree.
pero yun pa rin yung tanong ko, ano yung papanoorin if like you want like an award show na ang gravity ng award is yun nga based on not popularity. Like on
Grammys.
technicalities, on Grammys. But like,
Meron bang Korean? Kasi kumbaga pag gagano mo, hindi lang K-pop dapat yung tinitingnan mo. 'Di ba? Or is it just an exclusively K-pop awarding? Pero kasi K-pop kasi as an industry kasi hindi sila ganun. For me, parang like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
hindi basihan yung ganun. Parang yung basihan ng K-pop is, oh my gosh, admittedly, it is very
Popularity.
capitalistic as,
Exactly,
alam mo
yeah.
yun, as an
I
industry.
guess.
So,
Yeah.
yes, they are artists. They produce songs. But ultimately, the point is to sell. Sakit. But yes.
And tayo naman ang mga willing magbukas ng ating
Ng
mga
wallet.
wallets.
Correct.
How about
Agree.
you, Sarang Base? What do you guys think? Did you enjoy this year's Mama Awards? Performance na lang ba talaga habol natin? And parang plus na lang yung ibang mga nakukuha pa ng mga artists. Please sound off in the comments. We would love to hear all of the things that you want to share with us. May na-miss din ba kami? Sabihin ninyo, pag-usapan natin. Baka mamaya nasa TikTok live kami. Pag-usapan natin yan. Abangan ninyo yan.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo.
And we are back. And because, like we mentioned, we're doing a blackout bingo where we wrote 16 words na dapat nasabi siya during the conversation. So far, wala pang nakaka-blackout bingo sa amin. So
Wow.
what we will do is that we will provide 3 minutes kung saan gagawa lang tayo ng situation para masabi itong mga words na hindi pa nasasabi. So 3 minutes free for all siya. Kung wala pa rin maka-blackout bingo and then after the 3 minutes, padamihan na lang tayo ng mga naka-X.
Okay.
So I guess that's what we will do.
Tapos dapat
And-
nagsasalita lahat
Oo
Bawal
naman,
bawal
yung
walang
hindi
salita.
magsasalita.
Oo, kailangan talagang
Okay.
Pag tinanong ka, kailangan may sagot ka.
Sumagot.
Sumagot ka.
Okay.
Oo, hindi pwedeng hindi ka sumagot.
Meron ng plano si Trenzy kung paano ilalabas yung
Wala
mga
kang
words
plano,
niya.
girl. Kasi parang obvious pag tanungin mo. Pilitan na lang to.
Correct. Okay. 3 minutes. Begin now. Okay.
Okay. Okay na yung
Timer
timer.
has started.
Okay.
Hindi natin napag-usapan si Park Bogum. Anong masasabi niyo sa kanya?
Alam mo, in fair, gusto ko talaga na nagsuot siya nung nung,
Nung mga
yun
handbook
talaga
ni
yung
Suzy.
highlight for me ng kanyang presence. At ni ate girl na isa. Pangalan nun, basta siya.
Kim Hee-soo?
Oo, si Kim Hee-soo.
Hee-soo, oo.
Oo. Na, ano,
Wala.
akala ko may sasabihin ka,
Pero-
medyo excited ka dun sa
Hindi, kasi taon-taon lang ako yung naghihiratan tayo about the time traveling. Na kung si Park Bogum,
Oo.
from starting with, ano mang outfit niya nung beginning?
Like the
Kalimutan
black
ko
suit.
basta yung end.
Oo.
Naka-black suit siya, tapos sa ending, full hanbok na siya. So,
Oo,
sabi natin
oo.
nag-time travel. Tapos kahit si Isu, diba? Ano mang outfit niya nun? Naka-gown?
Nakasuit siya nung umpisa din. Tapos yung
Oo,
ending,
tas
naka-night
nag-gown
gown
niya
na
siya
siya.
doon.
Ayun, diba?
Oo.
Parang nakakatawa lang.
Oo. Pero kalimutan na
but
natin sila.
also-
Mag-move on na tayo from them. On to the next topic. Huwag tayo tumagal,
Ano yung
1 minute
topic?
44 na lang. Pero alam mo, gusto ko lang pag-usapan na sobrang galing talaga nung F1 concept. No?
Oo. Yes.
Oo. Sobrang ganda nung na yun, nung group na yun. Sino yung group na yun?
F1?
Kasi ako Alice ako eh. So, sobrang
Ah.
natutuwa talaga ako as an
Oo.
Alice and a
Oo.
Sangwon bias.
As a
Kasi-
Sangwon bias. Of what group?
Oo. Yung group ni Sangwon. Nag-debut na sila sa December 3. Galing sila sa Boys to Planet.
Yung Boys to Planet group. Oo.
Oo.
Correct. Oo. Na may isang
Meron ba
group
kayo
na,
masasabi
na
tungkol sa
din,
mukha
diba?
ni Sangwon? Ano bang
Oo.
meron sa mukha ni Sangwon? May comment ba kayo? Ano yung mukha
Wala
niya?
masyado. Hindi ko siya kilala eh.
Wala rin.
Sensya na.
Yung opening shot pa lang, Sangwon, Sung Hanbin, Park Bogum.
Oo.
Anong meron in common lahat tong mga lalaking to? Magbabanggit pa ako. Kim Lee Han. Sino pa? Kim Mingyu.
Galing
Oh.
silang, galing
Si Hyunjin.
silang competition ng mga boys tulad nung isa pang group. 'Di ba? Yung
Zero
isang group
Base
na yun.
One.
Oo,
GB1.
yung isang group na yun. Oo. Correct. 'Di ba lahat sila magkakasama kasi
Okay.
kaya makita niyo yung popularity ng mga ganyang klaseng grupo, yung mga galing reality show. Yes. Tulad
ng
ng
Ahof.
group na to. Ahof din. Oh. Tsaka yung isa,
What are we talking about?
wala. And,
Gusto ni Tensi
Mga
sabihin ko yung name.
bagets.
So, wala pa rin. Hindi kami nagpa-bait sa isa't isa. Hindi pa rin sinasabi yung
may
mga
nakuha
words.
ako, ang dalawa.
May nakuha ko
Oh
isa.
Oh my God, ako wala akong nakuha. Naiinis na ako sa inyo. Bilangin ninyo kung ilan yung mga nakuha nyo. Magpadamihan na lang
Ano ba to?
tayo. Okay.
I got 15. Isa
Wow!
lang dito nakuha.
What?
What? I only
I got-
got 5.
What? I got 11. At dahil dyan, sige, Mon, sabihin mo yung mga words na nakuha mo, then after yung mga hindi mo nakuha.
I got Super Junior Hingal, Time Travel, Hong Kong.
Pinahirap
Martin.
hingal kasama doon. Oo. Or isang word lang ba yun, Super Junior Hingal?
Martin, and Nightgown. Ha.
Oh.
Kaya ako pinupush yung outfit ni Yesu.
Outfit ni
Ako
oo.
naman ay nabait doon. Okay.
Nabait
Ano
ka
yung mga
doon.
hindi mo nakuha?
Actually, marami ako, hindi kasi ako following instructions. So, ang dami kong mga mini-mention na ako yung nag-mention, tapos yun yung nakasulat sa aking bingo card. Such as Maggie Kang Movie Awards, Chow Yun Fat, and Stray Kids Performance pang Desang. O, diba? Yun yung nasa utak ko eh.
Oo. Yung mga sinulat
Pero yung
mo.
mga hindi ko na-mention, ito, hindi ko siya minention dahil dun ko na-realize na shit, mali yung instructions ko.
Oo.
GD's hat is not a hat, it is an ottoman. As in, gusto ko na siya sabihin, pero parang kaya lang mali instruction mo eh.
Pwede mo naman sabihin for the corp. Kasi alam mo namang hindi namin yung isusulat eh.
No-hurt na ako eh, kasi mali ako. I also didn't get ESPA. Park Bogum Vampire. Punta na sana ako dun eh, kaya lang
Oo.
kinat na yung conversation about the host.
Sorry.
Ayun's voice, let's
Oo.
go bagets. How does Mama Awards work? Wow, sentence.
Hirap!
Bakit mo pinahirapan yung sarili mo?
Kasi nga hindi ako following instructions. And then finally, Audi. Not Aldi one. Audi. Kasi
Audi.
parang yung logo
Picture
nila
ng
mukhang
logo
Audi.
nila.
Gets. Oo.
So, ako naman, yung mga nakuha kong mga words, Desang, G-Dragon, Boy Next Door, Cortis, Mama Awards, Hong Kong, Enhypen, Baby Monster, K-Pop Demon Hunters, Beautiful, Chow Yun Fat. And yung mga hindi ko nakuha, yung mga words talaga na sabi ko na dapat di ko to ginawa eh. Sobrang galing. Ang pogi. Ba't ba ayaw nyo sabihin na ang pogi nila? Inis kayo.
Akala ko nga tangkad. Wala
Hindi,
lang.
mga pogi.
Sasabihin ko sana
Walang
Korean, kaya lang baka it might backfire.
Papaano in Korean?
Korean sila lahat. Kasi lahat sila pare-parehas.
okay.
They're all Koreans.
Na mga Koreans.
Oo.
I should have written that down. Meron din akong natuwa ako. Alam nyo, every episode may nagsasabi nito eh, but today wala. And also, ito din, isa pang laging sinasabi pero today wala. Oo
Oo.
nga eh. Bakit walang
Ay, walang
oo
ganun.
nga
Wala
eh?
nagsabi nun.
Wala! Inabangan ko. So I just got 11. So now for our winner, Chancy, sa iyong blackout bingo pag-debate mo.
Yung hindi ko lang nakuha is Alpha Drive 1. Kasi shortcut eh. Ang hirap. Kailangan kompleto. Akala ko magra-rundown tayo ng mga groups, but no.
Wala.
Oo. So yung mga nakuha ko, Mama, Park Bogum, Boy Next Door, G-Dragon, Stray Kids, Desang, Chow Yun Fat, specifically targeted to Mon.
I love him.
Hong Kong, Stage, Cortis, Sensitivity, Enhypen, Zero Base 1. Yung Zero Base 1 tsaka yung Park Bogum, humabol yan sa dulo. So, yes.
Kaya nga eh, sinabi ko pa eh. Naku,
Oo,
dapat
so
GB1
nagulat ako nung
ko
sinabi
eh.
mo.
Ako
Parang
yun.
yes. Pero ito pa, isa pang, natuwa ko ito sa pa, Baby Monster, Care of Monica din. And ito
I
talaga,
know.
Care of Monica din, beautiful. Walang episode na hindi
Diba?
sinasabi ni Monica ang
Sinasabi niya
beautiful.
beautiful.
Tapos sinabi niya mga
Exactly,
10
kaya
beses
sinulat.
today.
Pareho pala tayo.
Oo. Kailangan talaga may beautiful. Oo, yes.
Oo.
So there.
How about you, Sarang Base? Kamusta ang inyong mga blackout bingo? Or nag-shot ba kayo every time nagsabi si Monica ng beautiful? From now on, please, do that. Para maging
Hindi
masaya
niya
tayong
gagawin.
lahat.
Hindi ko na gagawin yon. Tatanggalin ko na yun sa vocabulary ko.
Ibang beautiful, fast,
I'm
attractive.
gonna say exquisite. Ganon.
Exquisite. Yes. Oo.
Hanap tayo ng ibang mga words. And Sarang Base, kung meron kayo ibang mga friends who you want to share this with, please share it to them para mas madami pa tayong mag-uusapang mama. This has been fun. Please, like I said, share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And we will see you on our next episode, the finale of this season. Thank you so much, Sarang Base. You are the best. Gumawo, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang hey!
Hey!
So, anong word, Monica, kung hindi beautiful? What do you think about Ion's voice? What?
Ion's voice essentially is amazing. Baduy.
Not
It's
beautiful.
out of this world. But
Okay.
it just went out too much. Out of my eardrums for the Mama Awards. So that is my concern. And that is why I was worried.
Gets naman.
Correct. Oo.
Ano yung song nung 17, yung nanood tayo sa Bulacan, tapos may lumabas na mga confetti na iba-ibang mga shape?
Pinuhuli mo ba si Monica?
Oo.
Ah.
1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, go. Exquisite. Da, 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 paradise.
Paradise.
Paradise. Exquisite.